Hi, my name is Zara, and this is the story of the day I lost my passport. It was one of the scariest moments of my life, but it also taught me something important. Let's begin. I was going to Italy, my dream trip. I packed my bag, my clothes, my shoes, my charger, and my passport. I checked everything twice. I was so excited. I couldn't sleep all night. I kept thinking, what if I forget something? But I told myself, relax, Zara. Everything is fine. Next morning, I reached the airport early. The line was long, but I didn't mind. I smiled at people, I took selfies, and finally, it was my turn. The lady at the counter said, "Your passport, please." I opened my bag. I checked the front pocket. Not there. I checked the side pocket. Not there. My hands started shaking. My heart was beating fast. Where is it? Where is my passport? I ran to the corner. I opened all my bags. I checked again and again, but it was gone. I wanted to cry. I felt helpless. I sat on the floor. Everyone was looking at me, but I didn't care. Then a woman came to me. She said, "Are you okay?" I looked at her with tears in my eyes. "I lost my passport," I said. She asked, "Where did you last see it?" I thought, hard. And then I remembered. Last night, I kept it on the table when I was checking my flight. Oh no. Did I forget it at home? I quickly called my mom. "Mom, please check the table near my bed." She checked, and yes, the passport was there. I couldn't believe it. I forgot the most important thing. My mom said, "I'm coming. Wait at the airport." I waited 1 hour, 2 hours. Finally, I saw her, my mom running with the passport in her hand. She was tired, but smiling. She said, "Take it, and next time, be careful." I hugged her tight. I missed my flight that day, but I learned a big lesson. Never travel in a hurry, and always double check your passport. Now, every time I travel, I remember that day, and I smile. Did you enjoy Zara's story? Practice shadowing with this video. Repeat the sentences out loud and speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Bye.